What is the Mahabodhi Mukti Andolan and what are its primary objectives?
The Mahabodhi Mukti Andolan, Mahabodhi Liberation Movement, is a protest movement led by Buddhist monks and supporters seeking to transfer the management and control of the Mahabodhi temple in Bodh Gaya, India, exclusively to Buddhist representatives. The temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where Gautama Buddha attained enlightenment, is currently managed by a committee with a mixed Hindu and Buddhist representation, with the district magistrate of Gaya, usually a Hindu, as the ex officio chairperson. The movement argues that the management should reflect the temple's Buddhist heritage and importance to the global Buddhist community, similar to how Hindu temples are managed solely by Hindus.
Why do Buddhist activists believe that the Mahabodhi temple should be managed solely by Buddhists?
The activists argue that the Mahabodhi temple holds immense significance as a central pilgrimage site for Buddhists worldwide. They believe that having a majority Hindu presence on the management committee undermines the temple's Buddhist character and allows for the introduction of Hindu rituals and practices that are not in line with Buddhist traditions. They draw parallels with Hindu temples, arguing that those are managed solely by Hindus, and therefore the Mahabodhi temple should be managed solely by Buddhists. The activists also point to historical cases where Buddhist sites have been appropriated or altered by Hindu interests.
What historical factors contribute to the current management structure of the Mahabodhi temple?
The current management structure is a result of a complex history, including periods of decline for Buddhism in India, followed by British colonial intervention and subsequent legal frameworks. After periods of royal patronage, the Mahabodhi temple suffered damage and neglect, particularly during the Turkish invasions in the 11th century. In the 19th century, British officials like Alexander Cunningham played a significant role in restoring the temple. Eventually, Hindu, Mahants, religious leaders, took control. In 1949, the Bodh Gaya Temple Act was passed, establishing a management committee with both Hindu and Buddhist members, in part due to movements by Sri Lankan Buddhists.
What specific complaints or allegations are made against the current management of the Mahabodhi temple?
Activists have raised several concerns including the performance of Hindu rituals and practices within the temple premises, the misrepresentation of Buddha statues as Hindu deities, the restriction of access to certain areas of the temple for Buddhist pilgrims, and the presence of Hindu priests conducting ceremonies that are considered inappropriate for a Buddhist sacred site. There are also claims of promoting Hindu pilgrimage and narratives at the temple, potentially overshadowing its Buddhist identity.
What role do caste and religious identity play in the Mahabodhi Mukti Andolan?
Caste and religious identity are central to the conflict. The activists claim that the presence of Brahmins on the management committee perpetuates historical injustices against Buddhism. They see this as part of a broader pattern of appropriation and suppression of Buddhist heritage by Brahminical forces. The movement asserts that Buddhists, particularly those from historically marginalized castes, are being denied their rightful ownership of a significant religious and cultural site.
What evidence is presented to support the claims of Hindu influence and appropriation at the Mahabodhi temple?
The sources mention specific incidents, such as a Hindu priest identifying Buddha statues as figures from the Mahabharata, including the Pandavas, as well as other actions, such as the same priest's father ringing the bell at the temple. Another example is a Hindu religious figure conducting ancestral rites, Pitri Shraddh, at the temple, seen as a violation of its sanctity. Furthermore, it's alleged that historical shrines have been transformed into Hindu temples. These actions are perceived as attempts to integrate the temple into a Hindu narrative, distorting its original Buddhist significance.
How is the Mahabodhi Mukti Andolan attempting to raise awareness and garner support for their cause?
The movement is utilizing various strategies to raise awareness and mobilize support, including hunger strikes by Buddhist monks, social media campaigns, and appeals to the broader Buddhist community and human rights organizations. The activists argue that the mainstream media is not adequately covering the issue, which makes social media vital to amplifying their message. The goal is to pressure the government and relevant authorities to address their grievances and facilitate a change in the temple's management structure.
Like, what are the potential resolutions or outcomes that the Mahabodhi Mukti Andolan is seeking?
The primary goal of the movement is to achieve a management structure for the Mahabodhi temple where the controlling committee consists solely of Buddhists, reflecting the temple's historical and religious identity. Activists hope that this will ensure the preservation of Buddhist traditions, prevent the introduction of non-Buddhist practices, and allow the temple to serve as a center for Buddhist learning and practice. A shift in governance would represent a significant victory for the movement and could serve as a precedent for other disputed religious sites. The movement seeks to ensure a peaceful handover, but are willing to escalate their actions if progress cannot be achieved through negotiation.
Like and subscribe. Raise voice in support of Mahabodhi.